wansi. And by name I have other initials that connect with John. In the line of the church, when you talk about law, I'm called a senior counsel. That title cannot go beyond 3 people. 30 people. I Prophet Kid, I thank God who connected me to you.
I have been very blessed ever since I met you.
There's a time I was in life when I'm asking God, I wanted to sow a seed. And I would ask, which item can I sow my seed? As I was there, I saw a phone call from Prophet Kid. He was talking about issues concerning law. And he wanted me to help him as a lawyer. He never knew where I was fellowshipping from. He was not knowing my prayer requests. I thought the problem was not physical but spiritual. I thought God was answering my requests. And the Spirit of God reminded me, do you know what you did? That man, I've sent him to you. What you wanted to do it to him. Since that time, these are secrets of the kingdom of God. Many people like to see miracles. But we don't want to do unusual things. You know, ekyamagero tikizooka. Don't think that you will get a miracle when you have not done unusual things. After telling you this, I want to say this. That time when I heard the voice after praying to God, I had spent 15 years. Like 20 years.
20 to 15.
20 or 15. When I'm giving God 20%.
si 10%.
abiri kachiko.
Tithe nako mujju oba yali ddi.
I don't know when I ended up giving tithe.
The last 15 or 20 years mbadde mpaayo 20%.
Emyaka 15 eyo nayetereza 15.
Then okuva mu period eyo
Since all that period,
nali nsazeewo nti kati ngenda ku 30%.
I had decided to go to put it to another level of 30%.
Era bwe namala okusiga
When I finished sowing,
Mukama n'alagira ngende ku 30%.
then God told me to go to 30%.
Kati kyenkola
That's what I do.
kati mbuulira njogera eri abooluganda abali wano.
I speak to all brethren who are here.
Bangi abamu muyinza n'okuba temuwayo kimu kyakkumi.
Many of you here, you may be not tithing,
Naye nga temusaba Mukama abagaggawaza.
but you ask God to give you wealth.
Saagala kubalimba.
I don't want to lie you.
Ensonyi wezi njagala nnyo okwogera nga ntambula. Naye abalokole
Born again,
mwagala nnyo ebintu by'okubalimba.
you like things of lies.
Eby'okucamuukirira.
They just truncate.
Kitwale.
You receive it
Nimutwala. Twala.
and you receive it.
Ekyo musumbaasumba obuba nti naawe otwaza bwoti. Nze njogera mazima.
May I speak the truth?
Njagala kwawulira ebyebiseemu.
I want to tell you what I've gone through
Ebyekolere n'ebigaanye okukola.
and what I have done and has failed to work out.
Nali mpaayo.
I used to give.
Bagambe ne ntuuka ne ku 20%.
I reached on 20%,
Naye bulamu bwange bugaana okukyuka.
but my life failed to be transformed.
Bwakyuka nga maze n'okupracticinga ennona endala.
My life changed after practicing another principle.
Waliwo okuwaayo.
There is giving,
Waliwo tithes n'offering. Tithes yo tegyogera nako ogw'omusolo.
that is a task.
Musolo tax.
It is a task. Tax.
Okitegeera?
Yes.
Kati oyinza kwewaana nti nasasudde omusolo.
You cannot boldly yourself that you
Ekyo
pay tax.
Katonda kikukakatako.
That one you must give it.
Naye ekintu ky'oyinza okwogerako ekiri probably optional.
But something which is an option you can talk about.
Is offering.
Kirikihebwayo.
Offering oyinza okugamba nti naffe twatandika.
See, even as that's how we started.
Ng'ogamba nyinza okuwayo tithe.
I can give my tithe,
N'okupozi yakakadde nga kano.
maybe 1 million.
Naye ng'ate offering ngenda n'evaayo
But offering I give
emitwalo ng'ebiri.
like 20,000.
Waliwo abekola ebyo.
Do you do those things if you're there? You lift up your hand.
Abeeko ku mukono.
You just wait for me. If you do that,
Ani awaayo sente eza tithe nga zisingako offering?
how many you give a tithe more than offering?
Put up your hand.
Okono bagwibuke.
Put up your hand. Munasonyiwa n'ekintu ekisina kukyogera
I haven't told you what has brought me
naye
here.
kino nkyagala nnyo okyogerako lwaki?
But I like so much talk about this.
Finance.
Esente,
The biggest problem we have in the church
ekizibu ekitwine ekyamaani mu kanisa,
is poverty.
buli bunaku,
Ate sijja kubalimba.
and I will not lie you.
Ojja kwerimbalimba nina Yesu ninaki.
You will deceive yourself, you have
Naye bw'oba
Jesus.
olina Yesu lwaki olina obwavu?
If you have Jesus, why are you poor?
Eyo tukyogereko
Let us
ekyo.
talk about it.
Waba balimba Yesu teyali munaku.
Because they are deceiving you, Jesus was not poor.
Teyali munaku.
He was not poor.
Check the records.
Mugende musome Bayibuli.
So, nze wano wengala okutandika then ndowooza njagala kwongera kwogera ku Yosefu.
Because I'm going to talk about Joseph.
Just make about 20 minutes. Njagala
I
tugere ku kinyusi kino tumale olwaleero.
just want we talk about this, we end up.
So, abooluganda babuwanisa emikono.
Brethren, those who raise their hands,
muwaayo nyingi ate offering watono.
you give your tithe much and offering very little.
Muwanike emikono tulabe.
Lift your hands up again.
Okay, kati gwe mpa example.
Right.
Ntera nnyo okwagala ebyo ebyokwogera.
I like giving an example.
Omuzindala. Sister.
Sister,
Notya. Example ya tithe gye oli wadde ey'amaanyi nga mmeka.
an example of tithe, please, you can explain to us.
50,000.
Okay.
Mitwalo nk'etaano.
How much offering did you give?
Ekihebwayo bahezinga
5,000.
etaano.
5. Okay.
5,500.
What do you want from God?
Kiki ekyokwenda ku lugali lwange.
Mwagaza ki Katonda?
Blessings in my family.
Mugisa mu maka gange.
Which blessings?
Mugisa ki?
What did you say?
Ogambira what?
Finance.
Bya sente.
You give God 5,000.
Nogereza Ruhange 5,500.
Okay, let me ask. The hair, how much is your hair?
Essoke lyawe libala sente
How
zinga.
much is your hair? When you go
Mitwalo 5 n'okweyongeza.
50,000.
Mitwalo 5.
And to God you bring 5,000.
Kandi mwa Ruhange n'oleeta 5,500.
Christmas, how much like this?
Christmas okozesa siringi kazinga. Byokulya.
It always depends on the situation, but around 200.
Mitwalo nka 20.
Now, Christmas, you came here.
At Christmas oyizire hano.
How much did you bring?
Zingahe z'oleesere.
Musumba Christmas wabagamba kuwaayo kirabo kyekyo.
Pastor, on Christmas, which offering did you tell them to give? Or which gift?
Okay, thanks.
I just tell them to bring thanksgiving.
How much did you bring?
Okusiima kwawo kaleeta bwingi ki?
On Christmas I didn't come here.
Christmas.
Okay, that's matter. Let's talk about the other Christmas when they came.
Leka tubaza Christmas
At least we know how much you spend. You spend about 200,000.
Yes.
So the last time you came here,
omulundi gw'okusembayo
We
bwayizira.
have a family behavior at home. Every Christmas we as a family to thank God.
another one.
Ondi
Don't fear. Look at him. Going to give
Otatiina.
Sister Faith. Tuwulize.
Sister Faye.
Sister Faith mwaka zindalo. Bwe naawe owaayo ntono okusinga kuzokola tithe and offering.
Do you give little? I've always given my tithe according to what I've got. When I get 10,000, I give 1,000.
Okay. Kakati nze singa kwagala offering.
Now what about
Which is optional or any other money gift or
obudde ebintu ebindi byongayo sente oba bisembo olw'okulisira.
if you want to put a gift for thanks, how much?
Oba okuba nenda kuleeta ekisembo ky'okusiima okuteekawo zingaha mitwalo nga
100
10,
shillings.
mitwalo nga 10, mitwalo nga 5.
Oziwa omusuma n'aziraba.
You give it to the pastor and sees it.
Is that true?
Pastor, manano.
Tera olumu zitera okutuuka olumu tezituuka.
Sometimes they don't.
Okay.
Oluusi tuziraba oluusi tetuziraba.
Sometimes we see them, sometimes we don't. And ask ourselves whether God never did for them.
Olugoye olupya.
But sometimes we find them when they put new clothing.
Kakati olugoye
Now that cloth,
ndaba lwabbe gwose.
I'm seeing it, it is an expensive cloth. How much was it?
35-40.
Mitwalo 3, mitwalo 4.
This is 35.
Esatu n'ekitwego.
Ekitete nkino.
This cloth,
I thought it's more than that.
mbe nimanya nyingi muno okusingawo.
Okay.
Kane,
So anyway, you see what I wanted to demonstrate.
ekimanyi nyenda kuboolekya.
Nti Katonda tumutwalanga kintu kya by the way.
We take God like a by the way.
Omanyi bw'olaba omulokole ng'asinza.
When you see a born again worshiping,
Bw'olaba omulokole ng'asaba.
when you see a born again praying,
Oyinza Katonda omusajja ayagala nnyo Katonda.
you may say this person loves God.
Naye omanyi ebyo byonna tebikuba.
But those things don't
Oyinza okuba ng'oyogera mu nnimi nga 8.
speaking 8 times.
Oyinza okuba okuzina omuzinyi wange.
You may be just here dancing.
Nga bw'oyimba buli omu agwa n'abeera mu mwoyo.
When you sing, everyone falls down and they're full of the
But
Spirit.
what is the test of your love?
Baitu engonzi yawe kwisa neta.
Abange kiro, this is the point. What is the test of your love?
Engonzi yawe ekunulira eta.
Ultimate test of your love
Engonzi zawe
are the things which you really treasure.
engonzi zawe nibyo ebintu ebyotwala kuba by'omuhendo.
Kubanga mubulire,
Let me tell you.
okufukamira ne tusaba.
Kneeling down and praying.
Abantu batulabe nti tusaba.
People see us that we are praying
Ne tukeesa.
and we bring it up to more.
Ekyo tukikola.
does not work out.
Siwa guli.
Isn't it?
Tuchikola buli lunaku.
We do it every day.
Njagala ove ku maviiviwa.
I just want you to leave your knees.
Ofuluma okende wabweru wano.
You go outside there.
Osanga omusajja akusabe emitwalo.
And you find a man asks you 20,000.
Eyasuze nga talidde.
The one who slept minus food.
Nze awo wetesitinga okusaba.
That's where I will test your prayer.
Musala w'Oluganda.
Brethren,
If you really love the Lord the way you say you do, I want to see your actions. I want to see your actions. Because you see, for me, I am tired of seeing Balokole pretending. Tulimba.
We are liars.
Say yeah, say yeah.
You say from this end to the other end. You go out. In the village they are crying because of you. You are the one who's bringing quarrels in the village. Those are the born against we are talking about. In the church they are just saying, because whatever is doing here is different.
So I want to challenge you.
The heavens that we need. How many you want wealth? Oh my God. Yes, stretch your hand out. Sister. You come, the one is sitting. Let God give you the riches according to what you give. You said you want to become rich.
Last time,
when did you last give a sacrifice to God? She has never given. But you've been fasting and praying. You have just gotten born again. You've been not fasting and praying. She works like that.
Okay. Before then, what you want to sacrifice?
Have you ever given any sacrifice to God?
Before.
No, I mean, for instance, have you stood with someone who is in trouble? Have you come to church if there is a requirement and you stood with the church? Okay.
I've spent 3 years when I was coming to church.
The times you have come to church. Have you ever done that?
I just want to see the hands. If the pastor says today we don't have power, those who stand in the gap, where are you? You stand in the gap. How do you stand in the gap? You bring what? Let me tell you the secret in the kingdom of God. How many you want to become rich? All of you. Let me tell you the secret.
Every time you want your life to change, make sure you change. Every time you want to go ahead in life, if you are confused in any way, come to church, sow your seed in your church.
Let me tell you, there's some people. Sometimes I see mubeera here.
That's not what I'm saying. Waliwo omuntu eyeyimirira wano when you had issues.
There's someone who stood here owabaire n'oli mu mbeera.
Naye mulowooza nti it is just a joking matter.
Iyo bwana ogamba biri bye muzaano.
Omuntu abeera e Kampala n'abatwalako omukisa.
Someone in Kampala can take a blessing
Mwenga
from this
mukuuma
place.
ssente zammwe.
When you are just keeping your money.
Omanyi omukisa gwefunye okuva bwena Mukama yayogera nange okuteeka ensumu efukira.
Do you know the blessing that I've got since I sold my seed in this place?
Do you know?
Mugimanyire.
Oh, I have gotten over 10-fold.
That's why I tell you I thank Pastor Kintu
for giving me the
honestly. Maybe I was not going to be blessed. I thank God of the problems you got.
I was blessed and I'm blessed.
And you people,
why should someone in a Muganda
yes, how can a Muganda take a blessing from you, Banyoro, when you are just here in Jessica?
Let me tell you, that's the secret. Do not allow a blessing to go away when you are
whenever there is an responsibility,
it's a blessing.
whenever
there is a crisis, it is an opportunity.
I've given you to bring wisdom. Another thing, stop giving these little monies. 5,000, 2,000. If you don't come out those if how many you want to drive a car?
Now we're going to okay. Oh, why is it?
How much do you give if you need a car?
Depends.
It's in Zira.
On average.
Average key.
I want to know one of those days it has depended. How much do you give?
If you are here, you want to speak.
You are in the presence of God.